guys, it's Nina here and I have another unboxing from Sephora. This time I got some skincare products. They're not a lot, so this is just gonna be a quick unboxing. I'm just gonna show you what I got. So I bought this online at Sephora.ae. Seems more convenient to buy online now than going to the store. Okay, so the first one that I got is this mask by Glam. I've tried the white one and the black one, but I thought of using this one too. So as usual, I always buy the small ones first, especially if it's the first time that I'm trying them, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna love them. So yeah, so I got this one. I'm gonna be trying it one of these days and I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it. Glam Glow, this is the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment Mask. It's for firming. Yeah. And I was thinking whether I'm gonna buy this or not really, because I've seen some mixed review about it, but I thought I'm gonna give it a go and see how I feel about it. So it's the Wishful Yo Glow. I'm glad that they came out with a travel size. The first one that came out was 100 ml and that retails for 177 dirhams, and I'm so glad that they came out with a smaller one. This one is 40 ml and it's 96 dirhams. It's 91 dirhams. Yeah, so I've seen some mixed reviews. It's really interesting to see how I feel about this scrub. It's a scrub, right? It is. Yeah, it's a scrub. It's an enzyme scrub. So I think mainly some of the skincare experts kind of don't like about this is that it has a little bit of alcohol, but I can live with a little bit of alcohol in my scrub. So yeah, I got this one again on the mini size. And lastly, Sculpting Sheet Mask. It's the chin lift mask. So I just got one first. Gonna try it out. Those are the only things that I got for skincare because I feel like I have so much still. These are new products that I really want to try. I'm gonna try them for you guys, so if you're thinking of whether to buy it or not, I'm here for you and I'm gonna go test them for you. So yeah, and then of course Sephora always gives some samples. Let's smells good. This again. I think I don't have to buy this backlight priming filter anymore from Becca because I have a lot. They always give this as a sample, so this is my third one. And then what is this? And then a deep conditioning mask. Briogeo. I haven't gotten anything from Briogeo yet. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but this is the deep conditioning mask. So something for the hair. I don't really, now that I'm thinking about it, I haven't really bought any products that's specifically for my hair. Like, I'm not really fuzzy about hair products. I don't think about it so much. If I like what I see sometimes in the shops, I'd buy it. But yeah, in terms of mask for my hair, I haven't really gotten into that hair care yet. So that's why my hair is super dry, but I love that it's thick now. I think, yeah, that's the only thing that I buy, by the way. Thickening hair product, whatever product that will make my hair thicker, I'd buy that. But I think some of the products that I bought is working. I got one from Innisfree. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. It's very quick. Just wanna drop by really and just show you what I got, and yeah, I'm gonna let you know how I feel about these products. I hope you guys are having a great day. You're keeping safe as always, and I'll see you on my next video. Please let me know in the comments below if there are products that you want me to try, and yeah, if you have any suggestions on what video you want to see on this channel, let me know in the comments below and I'm gonna go check them out. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now. Keep smiling.